to political science like Caudillismo. Professor Đorđević.
Thank you so much. And Professor Gardašević, thank you for your question. It is an interesting one. And it's always interesting to look for all those influences, foreign ones, domestic ones as well, regarding Serbia. And I'm glad that we're having my Professor Darko Simović here, who would certainly have a little bit to add. And I hope that I won't make some mistake by saying that your mentor, Professor Simović, and my Professor Ratko Marković, who was one of the creators of the Constitution of 1990, the first Constitution of Serbia after the transition and the fall of the authoritarian regime of communism authoritarian regime, was looking towards France as some sort of a model, but departed from it so significantly that it certainly cannot be regarded as one. And I think that all the reasons for the external influences in the constitution building up process are essentially twofold. One of them is of the political and the ideological nature, and the second one is somewhat trivial but still very important. So starting with the second one, it is a matter of the personal characteristics of the people who are working on the constitutional project itself. What I mean by that is that we had a sort of tradition at the Belgrade Faculty of Law, University of Belgrade, that all the constitutionalists were very good French-speaking professors. So some of them did speak German. They were deutschsprachige Professoren, but most of them were French-speaking. So they were logically, naturally facing towards the French doctrine and used some solutions more than they were probably to use the German ones because of the language barrier. And because of that reason, I decided to go the other way and will eventually learn French as well sometime in my life. But I also think that this insight coming from the German doctrine can be very beneficial for our future development. And about the political and the ideological reasons, there are three major points in the Serbian constitutionality. The first one was Constitution of 1990. It is overgeneralization in a way, but it could be, and it is often said in our scholarly papers and doctrines in general, that the French model was taken as an inspiration, but then was significantly changed. Then we have the present constitution of 2006. This constitution emerged after the dissolving of the state union of Serbia and Montenegro, and I really don't think, and Professor Simović will correct me if I'm wrong, but I really don't think that there was an ideological model for the creators of the present constitution. I think the foundation of this constitution was the constitution of 1990, and the rest was a result of the political compromise. That is why this present constitution of Serbia has some systemic and systematic flaws, because it wasn't very thought through. The whole thing was sort of more politically minded than with the constitutional doctrine and ideas in mind. And finally, we come to these constitutional amendments that are finding place now. And it is, I mean, I can say that openly, the opinions and the stance of the Venice Commission on particular issues regarding judiciary present a large source of inspiration, and the working group, as well as the other factors that were taking part in this constitutional revision process, were looking up to constitutional standards of the Venice Commission for the benefit of our own country, because it is without any doubt that most of those standards, if well adopted in Serbian surrounding, and if the Serbian needs are taken into consideration, may come out with the benefits, but no direct transplantation can ever prove to be good. So we basically had the little confusion after the 1990 with looking towards the French model. Turned out to be something completely else, mostly also because of the heritage that all these people who were actually writing the norms had there in their heads. 2006, a consequence of the political agreement, so to say, more than the structurally constitutionally based project. And now we're facing towards the European values and chasing these European path. Thank you so much.
We are already on time. If we have an additional question, I think that we can